Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making Kesar Bhaat, a dish perfect for festive occasions or whenever you want to indulge in something special. This is also known as Meethe Chawal or Sakhar Bhaat. To begin, soak a few strands of saffron, which is kesar, in hot water and set them aside for 30 minutes or so. Meanwhile, take half a cup of rice, add water, rinse it thoroughly a few times, drain the water, add water again and soak this for 30 minutes. Next, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add some cashew nuts and roast them on low heat for few seconds. Add raisins and roast them as well. Once done, remove the fried dry fruits and set them aside. In the same pan, add a few cloves and the soaked rice. Give a gentle mix. Pour in the saffron mixture into the pot. Add 1 cup of hot water. Cover and cook on low heat until the rice is about 80% cooked. Now into this we'll add some sugar, few tablespoons of hot water and mix it gently. Add a pinch of salt and cover the pan and cook it on low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, stir in the fried cashew nuts and raisins along with cardamom powder. Once the rice cools down, it will fluff up like this. And there you have it, your delicious Kesar Bhaat is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.